Hi, in this video we're going to look at balancing an Apple Pencil, and we're just going to look at trying to draw the forces acting on it. So it says here, Sarah is balancing an Apple Pencil on her finger, as you can see in the photo. Draw a diagram to show the forces acting on the Apple Pencil. One thing we need to take into account is Newton's third law of motion. So when one object exerts a force on another object, there is always a reaction which is equal and opposite in direction. And this is made by Sir Isaac Newton, who lived from 1642 to 1727, and there is a photo of him. Right, so let's have a look at this. We'll look at it through this PowerPoint here. So what we've got here is Zara's hand, and we've got an Apple Pencil she's balancing with her finger. So we're going to look at the forces that are created when we do that. So we have here what's known as the center of mass, which is the sort of pivot point here of this Apple Pencil. So the weight acts in a downward direction against Zara's finger, the weight of the Apple Pencil. So that's acting, and then to that, because of Newton's third law, there will be a reaction of the finger on the Apple Pencil. And then we're going to, what happens if the forces in this situation, the Apple Pencil is in equilibrium, i.e. the Apple Pencil is balanced, and then what happens if Sarah's finger's not on the center of mass, okay, and there obviously is a reaction from where her finger is, then the thing becomes unbalanced, and what happens is the pencil will fall and disappear. Okay, so that's what's happened if the center of mass is not in line with the finger. Okay, this has been a quick video to demonstrate a force diagram for balancing an Apple Pencil on a finger. Hope you understood, and I thank you very much for watching.